eggs. How many eggs do you get a day out of here?
A dry and hot atmosphere. Let's try a little experiment. Let's see if we can get these girls to follow us. Come on, chickies! Chickies!
Oh my gosh.
Chickies! Come on, girls! Chickies! Come on, you! Chickies!
I'm afraid I'm going to get caught in the chicken stampede.
Come on, girls!
All right, let's stop right here. What do
Come
we
on,
do? Feed them
chicks!
now?
Yeah, here, give them. Come on, now they get their little treat. Here you go. Here you go. Come on, chickies! Chickies!
Chickens!
Chickies! Come on, get it! Come on, hurry up, you lazy girls! Get out here!
Chickens at Lily's Farms. Before leaving Lily's Farms and all those happy chickens, we need to remind everybody that these happy eggs are available at the farmers markets in Santa Barbara, Hollywood, Santa Monica, and Beverly Hills.